So here we have a streaming application fully updated for 2024, giving you access to hundreds and hundreds of live TV channels, all properly categorized with the fully working program guide that you can enjoy on your Firestick or Android TV. Now, this application doesn't require any kind of registration, no usernames, no passwords. The application also has a large video on demand section where you have thousands and thousands of movies and TV shows, and the application doesn't have any adverts. So all of this great content across all of your devices, absolutely free and even ad-free. So please do take a moment to hit that like button, make sure you hit that subscribe button. So with all of that being said, let's get started. If you're new to the channel and you want to stay up to date with the latest tech tutorials, the latest Firestick, Android and Android TV tips and tricks, then please do subscribe and hit the notification bell. It's a small click from you, but it makes a big difference to me. Thank you. And here we can just see the application on the official Google Play Store. And as you can see now, it's had more than 1 million downloads. So very, very popular. As you can see, your ultimate free multimedia entertainment software. Explore over 250 plus channels, thousands of movies and TV shows, all of that content brought together in a really nice, really clean looking interface. And you can see this new version was updated on the 24th of May 2024. So let's now jump over to my third generation Fire TV Cube and I'll take you through this application. So I'm doing my demonstration on the third generation Fire TV Cube, but you can follow this process on any other Fire Stick, Fire TV, or even Android TV device. Now, when you start the application for the first time, you can see it has a really nice clean interface. It takes you straight into the live TV content. But before you start browsing, I do recommend if you go to the left, press left again. And let's now go into the settings because there is an option here where you can limit the ad tracking. And I do recommend, just for your privacy, just to ensure that the adverts you see are minimal, I would recommend going down into the ad tracking and turn on this option. So you're basically limiting how many ads or the type of ads you see. So they're going to be generic adverts, not personalized to your particular browsing or viewing preferences. Once you've done that, let's now press back. And we are now looking at this large library of these channels. Now we can see they are properly categorized. So starting at the top, we have the TCL top 10. So some of the top channels in here. And because of that fully working program guide, I can see this is Murder, She Wrote, this is Deal or No Deal, and so on and so forth. I can go down in the list here, and we can see what's on now. Here, for example, is American Ninja Warrior. After that is some more American Ninja Warrior. I think this is actually the Ninja Warrior channel. But for example, if I click on that, give that a second, and we can see because it is a live broadcast, we are taken straight into that channel. And that's working absolutely fine. And I can confirm that's a high definition HD picture. Now, when you're inside the channel, if you press the select button, we can see some information about the channel. You can also add the channel into your favorite list. So if I click on this star here, that should now add the channel into my favorites. And you can also then enable the closed captions if you want to. Now, also whilst you're in your channel, if you press up and down on the remote, this will also allow you to navigate to the next channel. So a more cable TV-like experience, and that's working great. Let's press back. And we can go through the channel list in here. Now, if you don't want to go through a big channel list, you can press left on the remote, left again, and we can now see the categories of these channels. So everything from bingeable TV to news, shocking true crime, trending throwbacks, lifestyle, travel, movies galore, black entertainment, animals and nature. Let's try animals and nature. So here, for example, we can see we have Dr. Chris's Pet or Dr. Chris's Pet Vet. Let's click on that. Give that a second, and without any interruptions, without any pop-ups, and that's working great. We can see some monkeys there. Let's add that into the favorites as well. So if I press select, click on the channel list, let's add that in. Let's go back. So that was inside animals and nature. Then you got history, you got sports and outdoors. Let's try something from sports. So here's the NFL draft round 2. Let's click on that. Just to show you that it's not just one channel or one episode or one movie, as this is an official licensed application, everything in here is working. It's working straight away. And you really can go ahead and enjoy all of this great content. Now, I've noticed that some of the channels, when you click on them, they actually start in a paused state. So you have to press play on the remote again to actually start that playback. That's working absolutely fine. And we're now looking at the draft selection. Do leave me a comment below if you are into NFL. Let's go back. So you can see, guys, lots and lots of channels, lots of categories, Gearhead, Fight Night, anime. Because I added those two channels into my favorites, I'm hoping right near the top we can see in my favorites I've got those two channels, that pet channel, the vet channel, and also this other one here. So works absolutely fine. You don't need to browse through a big list. You can go through the list once, find the channels that you're interested in, and then just add the ones that you want to watch into your favorites. Let's now go back to the top and we can see where it says Your TV Plus. That's their basically VOD, video on demand section. So now we can see we have top content, top movies and TV shows that you can access directly from here. So everything from gripping drama to cowboys to action movies, shocking crime and thrillers, horror, romance, documentary. So overall, guys, I really am impressed with this new version of TCL Plus. As you've seen today, it really does have a large library of those live TV channels with that fully working program guide. And the fact that it also comes bundled with all of those movies and TV shows, it really does make it a nice all-in-one application. And the fact you can get all of this without any kind of registration really makes the application even better. Now, to get this application on all of your devices, whether on your Android TVs or the Amazon devices, just head over to search, click on that, and you can now type in TCL. And you're searching for the TCL app. Let's click on that. And it's this application here, the TCL TV Plus. Now, if for whatever reason you can't see this in your Amazon App Store or the Android TV Google Play Store, I will always save a copy of the latest version directly onto my website. All you have to do is just open up Downloader or your favorite browser, navigate to tdoctoruk.com, click on tutorials, and the latest tutorial in the list will be at the top, how you can get the latest version of TCL TV Plus on all of your devices. Now, just before you go, guys, let me just also quickly share a really special deal just for the next 2 weeks. If you are looking for the easiest way to change your virtual location, to hide your online activities, really just access all of your favorite streaming content wherever you are in the world, right now there's a super special offer where you can get total protection for unlimited devices. Doesn't matter if you have 10 Fire Sticks or 25 Android TVs and 4 laptops, all of your devices will be covered with a single license. You can then change your IP address, change your virtual location, you can hide your online activities, you can access all of your favorite streaming applications wherever you are in the world. Really, to get all of that for just $2.19 a month, I really think this special offer is definitely worthwhile checking out. And they also give you those 3 months free. Using my link does help support my channel, so many thanks if you want to do that. Do have a look in the video description and pinned comment if you want to take up this special offer. Do leave me a comment below, let me know what you think, and I'll hopefully catch up with you guys real soon. Thanks.